trying to trace all the money and figure out how much there was, where it went, how it went there, and is there any hidden money. I think that's very important, and it just doesn't grab the headlines. But the other thing they're also doing, now that the Republicans have control of the House, is they have just an avalanche of whistleblowers and other evidence that's coming in with these more allegations pertaining to bribery in the Biden family, and so whether it be China or Ukraine or Russia or wherever. And we already had the IRS whistleblower Gary Shapley with some bombshells and 11 exhibits. We're expecting in the next week or so Devon Archer, who was Hunter Biden's best friend in business. He will be testifying and he has a lot to say.